Hi everyone, my name is Tim Warner. Welcome to my course Configuring Azure AD for Microsoft Azure Workloads. I'm a Pluralsight staff author, a Microsoft MVP in Cloud and Data Center Management, and your instructor. In this course, you'll learn how, as a Microsoft Azure security engineer, you can validate that Azure Active Directory is configured securely to serve as an identity store for your Azure-based cloud applications. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include administering Azure AD users and groups, configuring authentication methods in Azure AD, and configuring application registrations in Azure Active Directory. By the end of this course, you'll be prepared to improve your company's Azure AD security posture. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Azure AD application security with the Configuring Azure AD for Microsoft Azure Workloads course at Pluralsight.